Hi everyone, I'm Chris Key and today I'm covering a topic which is revolutionising the way we undergo energy system installations worldwide. Our world's becoming more connected and the energy sector is no exception. Today we're going to delve into the transformative power of remote visual assistance and the impact that it's having on the energy system installation sector right across the world. Imagine being able to guide an installation process or assist in troubleshooting from thousands of miles away without even having to set foot on a plane. This is the reality for remote visual assistance, and it's changing the game for energy systems installers. So join me as we delve into how this innovative technology is expediting field service training, reducing costs, cutting down on traveling, reducing carbon footprints, and also improving customer service as well. So whether you're an installer, a technician, or just someone that's interested in this technology, this video is for you. Remote visual assistance is a technologically advanced form of support that enables real-time communications between two or more individuals in different locations. Using cutting-edge video technology and software, an expert or support technician can virtually see what a user or client is seeing in their physical environment. This allows the expert to offer guidance, troubleshoot problems, or even demonstrate procedures by overlaying digital annotations onto the live video feed. The user can interact with these overlays using their mobile device or smart glasses. This innovative tool is transforming various sectors by allowing direct, immediate support without the need for travel or face-to-face interaction, which can save significant time and costs. It also helps with the general shortage of installation engineers by enabling lesser skilled or trainee staff to contribute to field work whilst being supervised remotely using remote visual assistance. We demonstrate the use of hard hat mounted cameras for hands-free monitoring of field staff later in the video. So in this section, the video in the middle is a video feed from a remote smartphone, and the host is using the optical character recognition or OCR tool to extract text. They are also controlling the remote camera's zoom features, annotations, and also notes capture. The subject of the discussion is an electrical miter saw, in this case, which makes for a convenient object to demonstrate these features. In this session, the host connects from their laptop to a remote smartphone, but what if the remote person needs both hands? Well, there's a solution for that, the external HD barrel camera. This can be mounted on a hard hat and connected to the smartphone, thereby freeing up the remote person's hands. The phone can be put in their pocket and brought out to view annotations, and they can hear instructions from the phone's loudspeaker from the host. As well as showing hands-free working here, you can see our Google Maps distance and measuring tool, which in this case is being used to measure the area of a roof, which is the only viable way of capturing this data because the house in question is a 3-story one, and so it's not easy to access the roof without scaffolding. Also in this section you can see the checklist or workflow widget, which allows you to set a procedure for the host to follow. Finally, let's give you a quick tour of our survey application designed for both Apple and Android devices, which comes with an innovative distance and room volume measurement tool. You'll need to download an app for this one, which is quick and straightforward to do. The application allows measurements to be taken during an ongoing video session, transitioning seamlessly between normal mode and measurement capture mode without needing to restart the session. All the remote user has to do is position the cursor at the starting point, move their phone to the desired endpoint, and press the cursor again. The measurement then appears on screen and can be saved along with a descriptive label for easy future reference. So there you have it. I hope this video was beneficial to you and that we've inspired you to consider using the innovative tools within our remote visual assistance application. Remote visual assistance has a very quick return on investment, purely on travel reduction alone, but it also has the power to transform energy installations businesses by increasing its project throughput, by expediting the training of new staff and enabling less experienced staff to contribute to project completion.